बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज की वीडियो में हम प्रीवियस टॉपिक को कंटिन्यू करेंगे जो कि हम पढ़ रहे थे एक्सपेरिमेंट मेथड। उसको अब हम नेक्स्ट जो उससे रिलेटेड टॉपिक है, जो हमारी आज की वीडियो टॉपिक है, वो है व्हाट इज़ साइंस और हाइपोथेसिस एंड जनरेशन इज़ द हेडिंग ऑफ दिस वीडियो। The use of logic and the close examination of evidence are necessary but not usually sufficient for the advancement of science. Scientific concepts do not emerge automatically from data or from any amount analysis alone. Inventing hypotheses or those to imagine how the wood works and then figuring out how they can put to the test of reality is a creative thought process. नेक्स्ट हेडिंग है साइंस एक्सप्लेन्स एंड प्रेडिक्ट्स। साइंस एक्सप्लेन भी करेगी और प्रिडिक्ट भी। Scientists try to make sense of observations by constructing explanation for observation that are consistent with currently accepted scientific principles. Such explanations theories may be either swing or restricted, but they must be logically sound and incorporated a significant body of scientifically valid observations. The credibility of scientific theories often comes from their ability to show responsible relationships among phenomena that previously seemed unrelated. It is not enough for scientific theories to explain the observations that are already known. Theories should also explain additional observations that were non-used in formulating the theories in the first place. That is, theory should have predictive power. Next heading is scientists try to identify and to avoid bias. When faced with a claim that something is true, scientists respond by asking what evidence supports it. तो साइंटिफिक का क्वेश्चन यही होगा कि कौन सा एविडेंस इस फैक्ट को सपोर्ट कर रहा है, बिकॉज साइंस जो है वो लॉजिक एंड रीजनिंग और रीजंस मांगती है. But scientific evidence can be based in how the data are interpreted, recorded, or reported, or even in the choice of what data are considered in the first place. A scientist's nationality, culture, gender, ethnic origin, age, political convictions may incline him or her look for empathize one kind of evidence or interpretation over other. Science is not authoritarian. In science, it is appropriate to turn to knowledge, sources of information, and opinions, usually specialists in relevant disciplines. So this is our video about science.